Hey friends, today I want to show you, I want to teach you an incredible platform, a very professional platform called design.com that allows you to design, to build a lot of stunning professional elements, assets, and things. Like you can see here, you can make a design for logo design and brand identity, website, AI design, then Facebook stories, post, covers, ads. And Instagram, you can see like post, stories, reels, social media, and like a lot of things you can do here. So all things in one single individual platform. So you can sign up on design.com, and here you can see your account. So you can see the settings, like all designs you can see here. Whatever you have designed, you can see here. You can create a new design from here also. And also you can see create a new design here. So design websites, social posts, and other brand assets with the power of AI. So here you can see logos. So you can create a new logo, you can edit your logo, you can update your logo. So you can create your logo from here. So you can type here the business name like uh, But IT Solutions or Irza Fatma Institute. And the keywords like modern, so you can search. And you can see the logos. These are not only genre logos, like you are giving the name and it's changing. No, it's showing as per the AI models and then AI latest technologies, according to the name of your brand, like whatever you are selling or you are offering. So you can see here different things, like according to institute, you can see here like icons and a lot of things. So for instance, if you select like this one, so Irza Fatma Institute, like you can see here, and the text you can see, this has some gradient effect, so you can change if you want. See, so anything you want to edit, you can edit here. You can edit logo, text, icons, each and everything. The background you want to change. See, so anything is possible here. You can share it, you can save the progress. So in future, whenever you want, so you can come back to your dashboard of design.com and you can download it. So this is incredible. Honestly speaking, incredible. We can download it also from here, so it will prepare your files. So this is the main thing like I want to tell you. So this is nothing like starter logo pack. You can see this is $3 per month, billed annually. See, so you can select monthly or annual. So I will recommend you to go with this, and you can download each and everything. Then come to design.com, and here you can see like websites, domains, create a website. You can create digital business card, link in bio. So a lot of things. So you can see IT solutions, and here everything. This is like desktop, mobile, so you can save progress, you can publish it. See each and everything here. You can come to design.com, and here you can select like design, logo, website, business card. For example, business card, and here you can type like my business name is Irza Fatima IT, Irza Fatima Institute. We offer courses including web development, graphic design, video editing, and digital media marketing. And our contact details, mobile number like 0313, this, and the email an institute located at Faisalabad, Pakistan. So you can press enter. So you can design the logo, website, see incredible. Can you see here? Like Irza Fatma Institute, you can see. And here you can see my email address and, each and everything is here. Course instructor and see each and everything is here. Like number and see email address also. So you can also print it, you can download it, you can save the progress. Again, we can come back to the design.com main, and here we can see flyer, poster, letterhead, t-shirt, Facebook post, Instagram post, a lot of things, WhatsApp story, LinkedIn post. So LinkedIn post, for example, I have got a new job about I have got a new job as a web developer in But IT Solutions. So you can press enter. So the LinkedIn post, see, you can see something like doing like something related to hiring, and we are hiring something, digital solutions, you can see. So each and everything is here. You can open and you can edit it. And here, for example, website. So what would you like to design? I like to design my website, a website about my institute. I offer a lot of courses, including web development, graphic design, video editing, and digital media marketing. And you can type prompt as much as in detail you can. So, the AI will understand easily and the results will be really incredible and awesome. So you can see, each and everything is here. Perfect. So the designs are actually related to my, business, like courses. So we can select one of them and then we can proceed that design. So therefore, I really recommend to the users of my channel, design.com, you should subscribe today. And this is one place, and all in one place you can do a lot of things here related to design actually. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.